Let's dive into a comparison of two highly popular but philosophically different Linux desktop operating systems, Fedora and Linux Mint. This video will break down their core characteristics, strengths, and ideal users to help you decide which distribution aligns best with your technical needs and workflow preferences. First, Fedora, the cutting-edge innovator. Fedora, sponsored by Red Hat, is a distribution engineered for the forefront of open-source innovation. It is known for being cutting-edge, secure, and developer-focused. Fedora provides strong support for modern hardware and is a platform that consistently integrates the latest stable versions of the Linux kernel, the GNOME desktop environment, and a comprehensive suite of developer tools and libraries. This makes Fedora the ideal choice for software developers, system administrators, and tech enthusiasts who require early access to new features, programming languages, and technologies for their work. It is secure by default, employing SI Linux for advanced access control, and adheres to strict open-source principles. Key advantage: immediate access to the latest well-tested open-source software and enterprise-grade security features. Consideration: its focus on new software can mean a steeper initial learning curve. Some proprietary media codecs or hardware drivers may require additional configuration post. Second, Linux Mint, the stable and user-friendly workhorse. Linux Mint is an Ubuntu-based distribution that prioritizes simplicity, stability, and out-of-the-box usability. It is renowned for its excellent performance on a wide range of hardware, including older systems. Mint defaults to the Cinnamon desktop, which offers a traditional, intuitive layout familiar to users migrating from Windows. A major strength is its completeness. Linux Mint includes essential multimedia codecs, a full selection of system utilities, and a user-friendly driver manager from the moment you boot, allowing you to be productive immediately. It's the perfect choice for beginners, casual users, and anyone seeking a reliable, hassle-free system for daily computing tasks like web browsing, office work, and media playback. Key advantage: exceptional ease of use, long-term stability, and a ready-to-work environment with minimal setup required. Consideration: it follows a more conservative update cycle. You receive security patches diligently, but major software version updates arrive more slowly than in Fedora, as stability is valued over immediacy. Direct comparison and final recommendation: choose Fedora if you need a modern, fast-moving platform that provides early access to the newest open-source technologies. It's the superior choice for professional development, system administration, container work, and for users who value being at the forefront of the Linux ecosystem and are comfortable with periodic configuration. Choose Linux Mint if you want an intuitive, stable, and complete desktop experience that just works. It is the definitive choice for newcomers to Linux, for users seeking a dependable daily driver for general productivity, and for those who prefer a familiar interface with long-term consistency. In essence, your decision hinges on a core trade-off: leading-edge innovation and professional tooling, Fedora versus out-of-box comfort and steadfast reliability, Linux Mint. Thank you for watching. Which distribution better suits your needs? Share your choice and reasoning in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful software breakdowns.